Alright, well, I went to put my camera on a tripod and I broke the little camera mount, so I got it jerry rigged back up. But I was just watching a video online. I was trying to figure out the best way here to remove all the little fuzz off the magnets. And what that comes from is not necessarily welding itself. I mean, there's a little bit of spatter from welding, but because I use a wire feed. But majority of that comes from the grinding stages of welding, and you take these off, and you go to clean up your welds, and then that's what happens. So I had a project the other day. I was using this tack cloth, right? This tack cloth has some stickiness left to it. It's not that sticky, and I was like, this has uh, acetone or whatnot already on it from my other project. Why don't we try that on the magnets here? So I already did a test strip, and when you know it, let me show you. It's stronger than these damn Lincoln magnets. That's just one wipe there. So if I get another good wipe here, a couple more here. I mean, you're seeing this as I'm doing it. It's working. You don't have to get it all. The idea is you can put it back in the toolbox, stick it back on the toolbox, and you don't get those little hairs stuck into your fingers. I mean, that's just the most annoying thing with fabrication, is those little metal shards, little metal stickers. They like to, you won't know they're there till you go to touch something and you feel it pricking the end of your finger, and it's just, annoying. But I think that worked pretty good. As far as the corners go on these things, get yourself a screwdriver. Okay, just a regular, doesn't have to be nothing special. Flathead screwdriver would probably do maybe a little better, but you just get in here, do the corners. You can brush that stuff right out of the corners. And also get it down in the groove. And one thing I don't like on these magnets is I understand that the edges that stick out past the magnet are there to center the magnet on a round or a flat surface or whatnot, but to me it lessens the power of the magnet. Now I don't know, maybe you guys can answer this for me. Does the magnet just run around the edges, or is the whole thing a magnet underneath this? That's what I don't know. But I just thought I would, for all you fabricator, painters, body guys out there, don't throw your tack cloth away if it's not 100% bad. Clean your welding magnets. And even the welding spatter, it's on the magnet itself, like on the outside here. The chemicals that are on this tack cloth won't hurt the paint, but they make your magnet look brand new. So, comparison here. The one we just cleaned, the one I haven't done yet. And that only took a minute. Comparison. Bang. Check it. Catch you on the next one.